Is the Hatch alarm clock even worth it? Well, if you came to this video, then you're probably wondering that, but good news, that's why I'm here. I'm going to be going over all the functions and helping you answer that question to see if it's a right fit for you or not. So be sure to stick around. Also, be sure to check the YouTube description below for any deals and discounts on this Hatch. All right, y'all, let's get started. All right, you've probably seen Hatch all over your social media or even know someone who has one, but what exactly is it? The Hatch Restore 3 is an all-in-one sleep system that combines a sunrise alarm clock, sound machine, and guided sleep routines into one minimal device. Instead of jolting you awake with a loud alarm, it uses light and sound to support your natural sleep cycle. It's designed for people who want better sleep hygiene, calmer mornings, and a more intentional bedtime routine. And it's all controlled in an app directly from Hatch Sleep. Setting up the Hatch is pretty simple, but it can be intimidating at first, so here's how to do it. First, plug it in and download the Hatch app on your phone. From there, you connect the device via Wi-Fi and can start customizing your routines. To get started, it'll ask you a bunch of questions, so it's pretty straightforward. At night, you can even set up a wind-down routine, which is what I do. This might include dimming lights, calming sounds, or guided meditations. The light gradually fades and audio plays to help signal your body that it's time to sleep. I have mine set to come on every single night at around 9:30, and it kind of signals me to get in bed, read a book, or just put my phone down. And all I have to do is tap this button right here to turn on white noise until I wake up. In the morning, instead of a harsh alarm, the Restore 3 simulates a sunrise, slowly increasing brightness before playing gentle sounds to wake you up more naturally. There are tons of different sounds and color variations. Once it's set up, you don't even need your phone, just tap the device to snooze, start routines, or adjust brightness. And it also comes with some super fun features. Like I said, it obviously wakes you up with a sunrise that mimics natural light to wake you up gradually, and a sunset sleep light to help you wind down. It's a built-in sound machine with white noise, nature sounds, and sleep audio. You can even play guided meditations and sleep stories, but these do come with a subscription which costs you monthly or annually. You can fully customize your sleep and wake routines. The touch controls are directly on the device, and it has a modern minimal design that fits most nightstands and comes in 3 different neutral colors. The biggest selling point here is that this works together as a system rather than 3 separate devices like a nightlight, alarm, or sound machine. So let's go over how much this costs and what Hatch's policies are. The Hatch Restore 3 typically costs around $170, but I do know that they often run promotions around the holidays. Some features are free, like basic alarms, light control, and a selection of sounds. However, full access to sleep stories, meditations, and advanced content requires a Hatch Sleep membership, which costs around $5 to $6 per month or a discounted annual plan. Hatch offers a 30-night sleep trial, 1-year warranty, and free shipping and returns. Let's wrap this up with the quick pros and cons. Who is the Hatch perfect for? I honestly love this because it encourages a consistent sleep routine, it combines multiple sleep tools into one device, and it's great for light-sensitive or noise-sensitive sleepers. Now, not every product is great for everyone, so who should keep shopping? Well, it requires a paid subscription for full functionality. It's not ideal if you prefer a loud traditional alarm, and it has a higher upfront cost compared to a basic alarm clock. But in my opinion, it's so worth it. Well, if you have a Hatch or you're planning on getting a Hatch, definitely let me know in the comments down below. Also, be sure to like and subscribe, follow us on Instagram and TikTok, and I'll see you right here next time. Bye!